Hello guys, Armand Adrian, the founder and CEO of RouletteHowToWin.com. Now, I think that for many months I didn't showing you something about roulette and something that you might have to understand when we talk about gambling exactly correctly to the roulette. So not all the bets are correct when we talk about roulette. Not all the bets are good for playing professionally. Let me explain you what I mean. As you can see here, we have the table. So this is the most important thing in roulette, the table. Numbers from 0 to 36. Outside bets means this one, even, pair, big, small, dozens. This is the external betting. Alright? On all this external betting, you cash, you double your money. On dozens, you triple your money. But these bets are external bets. So this is not good for professional roulette gamblers. Now, of course, when you start to play professional roulette, you start with some strategies found on the internet. Red, black, odd, even, high, low, and so on. But you need to not stop at what you find the first videos from YouTube with strategies, because external bettings is not good, and professional roulette gamblers, they are not playing external bets. Now there are inside bets, inside the table bets, which now to my level I don't play anymore. Now this kind of bets means street. So this one, a street. This is not something you play when you are professional like me. Now another bet which is not allowed to play when you are a professional gambler is corners. So it's a side bet, but it's corners. So these two bets you see here, when you become a real roulette professional gambler, you don't play anymore these kind of bets. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. You don't play anymore these external bets and these two inside bets. Alright? Remember that. These kind of bettings you are not allowed to play when you are a roulette professional gambler. All the rest of the systems you can play. And there are two systems which you can play, or three. There are split, so we cancel everything. So we split playing splits or playing straight number. These two things is the only important thing when you are playing at roulette. So if you have played in the past external bets or corner bets or street bets, forget about it. This is not good when you are a roulette professional gambler. Now inside members area, once you buy one of my programs, you will understand how to play correctly. And we will focus only on these two types of betting. The most important is straight number. Here we make money, because playing in straight numbers, we win 36 times much more money. We are not concerned about making 9 euros or 12 euros or, as I told you, 12 euros or 2 euros. This is not for us. We are professional roulette gamblers and we play professionally. And when you are playing professionally, only two bets is important. straight number, or split numbers. Now you have learned something which I don't tell to nobody. But now you know something, and maybe you can closely find the way in which you become a roulette professional gambler. With my help, you save minimum 5 years of training if you pay my DVD 5,000 euro. If you go on your own to study roulette, it will take you more than 5 years to play professionally roulette. I know that because I've invested more than 5 years till I get professional roulette gambler, and I've studied roulette every night and every day for 5 years. As I told you, I was having tons of money because I was selling luxury perfumes and luxury clothes. So I was having 200, 300, 400 euros per day, every day for 5 years to play at roulette, to understand roulette. Now for you, if you are playing at roulette and you have only 1, 2 hours, 3 hours maximum per day to study roulette, it will take you 10 years to beat roulette. Let me helping you save some money. When you have 5,000 euro, contact me and let me giving you my DVD 5,000 euro, because it's the only way, faster, easy, and 100% guaranteed that you will gonna win at roulette. Watch my previous tutorials and you will see tons of strategies which I post on YouTube. You will gonna see my accounts. I am millionaire at the age of 30, and I know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about, because I know this game as my hands. Remember that this is only the 2 types of bettings we are focused when we are roulette professional gamblers. All the rest of the strategies are useless when you are roulette professional gamblers. External bets, streets, and corners, this is not for us. This is for newbie, for regular guys who doesn't know how to play professionally. We, the professional roulette gamblers, we play all the straight numbers or the split numbers. Good luck. Now you know something. Come inside members area and change your life forever. Change your life is the only way with my DVD in which you can understand and do exactly as I'm teaching you. Good luck, and we talk inside members area.